Hi guys, this is Koby from Performance Toyota in Sinking Spring, Pennsylvania. Today I'm going to walk you through how to determine your dashboard lights in case there's any type of emergency. Your tire pressure light is a very common light that will come on. Usually we see this when the seasons are changing, when the weather has big differences, like when you have an 80-degree day and then you have a 40-degree night. Most of the time that light will come on based off of the fact after every 10 degrees of temperature change, that tire will drop 1 psi. These sensors are very sensitive, so they will drop after 3 psi. The next one is going to be your vehicle stability control system light. That will be the car with the squiggly lines. And then also you're going to have the check engine light. So that's going to be where it has the little engine with the lightning bolt coming through it. Also, you may have an airbag light that will come on initially when you start the vehicle. What will happen is all the lights will flash originally when you start the vehicle. That's just making sure all the systems are ready to go. And if you do have a problem, the light will stay steady after that. Also, a quick tip, if your check engine light is not flashing, it is not an extreme emergency. It's no reason to panic or pull over off to the side of the road. If it is flashing, we do have a pretty big concern and you should be calling us right away and stop driving the vehicle. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us at performancetoyotapa.com or 610-678-3425. Thank you.